Boosting your personal well-being starts with simple steps. Nurture your body, uplift your mind, and create space for joy each day. And that is the thought for today. Welcome to 7 Good Minutes. I'm Clyde Lee Dennis. Thanks for joining me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. In today's episode of 7 Good Minutes, we talk about how to boost your personal well-being with a few simple steps to feel your best. Enjoy! Are you ready to take your personal well-being to the next level? Personal well-being is the foundation of a fulfilling life. It's what makes us feel alive, energized, and ready to take on challenges. When we prioritize our well-being, we're investing in our mental and physical health, and that's essential for living a happy and healthy life. By focusing on our well-being, we can improve our relationships, increase our productivity, and enhance our overall quality of life. Our well-being affects every aspect of our lives, from our mood and energy levels to our physical health and relationships. When we're feeling good, we're more resilient, more focused, and more capable of handling life's ups and downs. That's why it's so important to make well-being a priority. Think about it. When was the last time you did something that truly nourished your mind, body, and soul? Maybe it was a relaxing bath, a good night's sleep, or a fun workout. Whatever it was, it's essential to make time for those things that make us feel good. By taking care of our well-being, we're not just improving our own lives, we're also positively impacting those around us. Our loved ones benefit from our happiness, and our communities become better places when we're feeling good. To get started on your well-being journey, you'll need a few simple tools. A journal can be a great place to start, as it allows you to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Having a quiet space for reflection is also essential, whether that's a cozy corner in your home or a peaceful spot in nature. You may also want to consider investing in a meditation app or a fitness tracker to help you stay on track. But the most important thing is to have a willingness to try new habits and practices. Being open to new experiences and challenges is key to growth and improvement. Remember, your well-being journey is unique to you, and it's essential to find the tools and resources that work best for you. Experiment with different techniques and find what nourishes your mind, body, and soul. The most important thing is to start small and be consistent. Don't try to change everything at once. Focus on 1 or 2 areas and build from there. Let's dive into some actionable steps you can take to boost your well-being. One of the most effective ways to improve your well-being is through mindfulness practices. This can be as simple as taking a few deep breaths each day, practicing meditation, or going for a mindful walk. Exercise is another essential component of well-being. Find an activity that you enjoy, whether it's running, yoga, or dancing, and make it a regular part of your routine. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters that can help reduce stress and anxiety. Healthy eating habits are also crucial for well-being. Focus on nourishing your body with whole, nutritious foods, and limit your intake of processed and sugary snacks. A healthy body and mind are closely linked, and a balanced diet can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. In addition to these physical practices, it's essential to prioritize self-care. Make time for activities that bring you joy, whether that's reading a book, taking a relaxing bath, or spending time with loved ones. Another strategy is to practice gratitude. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on the things you're thankful for. This can help shift your focus to the positive aspects of your life and improve your overall mood. Getting enough sleep is also vital for well-being. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and establish a relaxing bedtime routine to help you wind down. Staying hydrated is also essential, so make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Dehydration can lead to feelings of fatigue and low energy, which can negatively impact your well-being. Connecting with nature is another great way to boost your well-being. Spend time outdoors, whether it's walking, hiking, or simply sitting in a park. Being in nature can help reduce stress and improve your mood. Setting boundaries is also crucial for well-being. Learn to say no to things that drain your energy and say yes to things that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Implementing a new habit can be as simple as taking a short walk or practicing a few deep breaths. The key is to find what works for you and make it a consistent part of your routine. By incorporating these strategies into your daily life, you'll start to notice positive changes in your well-being. You might feel more energized, more focused, or more at peace. Creating a routine can help you stay on track with your well-being goals. Set aside time each day for self-care, whether that's exercising, meditating, or simply taking a few deep breaths. Finding support from friends or communities can also be a great motivator. Share your goals with a friend or family member and ask them to hold you accountable. Staying consistent is key to seeing results. Don't be too hard on yourself if you miss a day or two, but instead, focus on getting back on track and moving forward. Common obstacles like lack of motivation or time constraints can be overcome with a little creativity. Find ways to incorporate well-being practices into your daily routine, even if it's just a few minutes a day. If you're struggling to find motivation, try to identify what's holding you back. Is it fear, procrastination, or something else? Once you understand the root cause, you can start to work on solutions. Lack of time is often a challenge, but the truth is, we all have the same amount of time each day. It's about prioritizing what's truly important and making time for well-being. Boosting your personal well-being is within reach. By incorporating mindfulness practices, exercise, healthy eating habits, and self-care into your daily routine, you can start to notice positive changes in your life. The key steps to remember are to start small, be consistent, and find what works for you. With a little effort and dedication, you can take your well-being to the next level. By prioritizing your well-being, you can expect to see improvements in your mental and physical health, relationships, and overall quality of life. That does it for today's episode of 7 Good Minutes. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on the platform you're listening on. Until next time, let's be civil to one another out there. Thanks for listening.